Today I'm talking about President Emerson Mnangagwa and his once trusted ally turned potential nemesis, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Zimbabwe, a nation with a complex political landscape, is now witnessing a rift within its ruling party, ZANU-PF. Recently, a series of leaked audio recordings have surfaced. These are no ordinary recordings. They feature the flamboyant businessman Mnangagwa-Chivhayo, a man with a notorious past, boasting about having Mnangagwa in his pockets. Chivhayo, known for his extravagant lifestyle, has been seen handing out cash and luxury cars while loudly supporting Mnangagwa's extended rule beyond 2028. But here's the twist. There was an unspoken agreement that Mnangagwa would step aside for Chiwenga in 2028. Now, with Chivhayo's claims echoing in the halls of power, the tension is palpable. Chiwenga feels sidelined, betrayed perhaps. And it's not just about feelings. This discord has tangible implications for the governance and future of Zimbabwe. Adding to the drama, the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission has stepped in. They're looking to interview key figures to untangle this web of alleged corruption involving high stakes and even higher profiles. This more than just political drama. It's about the future of Zimbabwe, its people, and the integrity of its leaders. So what's next for Zimbabwe? Will Chiwenga confront Mnangagwa directly? Will this internal conflict lead to a new leader in 2028? Or will it plunge the country into deeper turmoil? Only time will tell. For now, keep your eyes on Zimbabwe. The stakes are high, and the outcome will surely shape the nation's path forward. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video where we continue to uncover the truths behind the headlines. Stay informed, stay engaged.